Hello guys, welcome to Python course. So in this video we will discuss about dictionary. So dictionary is a most important built-in type in Python. And what is the use of dictionary and how we can use dictionary? Let's have a look. We will start with a problem and we will solve that problem using list or any other built-in type, and then we will discuss why dictionary came into the picture. So suppose I want to make some application which will convert the English word to Hindi, or I want to make a converter from English words to Hindi words. So how I can create? Let's see how. This is English word like apple, orange, mango, and these are Hindi word. Save, apple means save, orange means narangi, mango means aam. From where you can take these values? So just visit your Google Translate and you can translate from here and you can copy it to your program. Okay, so we are having two lists and using list we can solve this problem. Let's see how. If I want to know what is the meaning of apple in Hindi, print, I want Hindi word, so that's why I took Hindi, and index, so English word dot index. We learned about this in previous lectures, so I can use this using value. So I want to know the Hindi meaning of apple. Save as UTF. Okay, if you will run the program, select Python run. See the syntax error, non-ASCII characters. If you are using any other language like Hindi or any other French or Spanish, so you have to support it to UTF-8. So UTF-8 is nothing, it is a standard format of any language to accept in programming. So for removing this error, you have to put only one statement on the top of your file. Coding equals UTF-8. So if you will write this code and then you will execute, so it got executed, apple means save. Okay, but it is somehow very difficult. We can make it easy. So how we can make it easy? Using dictionary we can. So dictionary is key value pair. So we will make apple as a key and save is a value. So first of all, how we can create the dictionary? Let's consider English to Hindi. Okay, and the identity is it will be in curly braces. If we are using curly braces, that means it is a dictionary. If we are using small bracket, that is tuple. If we are using square bracket, that is list. So that is a very common difference between those three, and it got created now. And the other way is you can use dict also, so it will create. So like that you can create a blank dictionary. So this is a blank dictionary, and now I will put the value. So value will be the key value. Key is a apple, and using colon we have to put the value of this key. So this mapping we need to put here. So apple is a key, and I will copy this. I can't write with my keyboard, so I paste it here, comma, to separate the element. So this is a one element in dictionary. This is key, this is value. Okay, so using key value pair we can create the dictionary. Orange is the key and value is the narangi. And third is mango. So mango will be key and value will be arm. Okay, so remember, if you are using key, so you have to give value. If you are using value, so you have to give key, otherwise syntax error will come. So for example, if I will remove this key, then syntax error will be there. Okay, syntax error. So you have to put key and value both. This is mandatory part. And now if I want to know what is the meaning of apple in Hindi, so it's very easy now. Print English to Hindi. You have to pass inside a square bracket key, not indices here, remember. So we are using key and value. So using key directly, you can pass here and just run the program and you got the output is same. So like that you can converter or any application. And the second example is you can create your phone book which is having number and name. So name will be your key and phone number will be your value. Association of key to value called key value pair. Now we will discuss what are the way we can create a dictionary. So the second way is, suppose we are having one variable details and which is having a list or tuples inside that like name. So you are using zip in last lecture, right? So same, I am creating a zip of name Rohan and the other tuple is age 20. Okay, so the criteria of dictionary is in one tuple should have only two values. If it is having three value, it will not accept, because the first one will be your key and second one will be your value. So how you can create a dictionary? So just use dict and print details. So your dictionary got created. Like age is a key, 20 is value, name key, Rohan is value. So this is the other way. From list and tuples you can create a dictionary. Now the other way is you can create directly using equal sign. How? Let's have a look. D equals dict. Dict is a class and you can pass the value here. Name is a key, value is Rohan, separated by comma. Age equals 20 and just wants to print D. So it got created. Key is age, value is this, key and value pair. So like that we can also create the dictionary. So we have three methods. Directly we can give the value here inside curly braces and we can convert a list of tuples inside dictionary and you can pass the arguments key and value pair inside dict class. Okay, so we will perform some operation on dictionary now. Let's play with it. If you want to know the length of dictionary, so it's very easy. You can use len, object is D. So just run the program. So length is 2 because the D dictionary is having two elements. One is this and one this, or we can say dictionary D is having two key value pair. So one key value pair considered as a one element in dictionary. Like same you can play with in keyword. So if you want to know the membership of key, print. So you have to pass here key like age in D. It will return true. because age is the key of D. Okay, dictionary. If I will pass here value Rohan, will it work? False. Why? Because by default in keyword in dictionary will search for key only. If you want to search the values, so you have to put here dot values. Now this method will return the list of values from the dictionary. So list is Rohan and 20. So now it will return true. So this is the difference in dictionary. So by default it went to key, but if you are using values function, then you can iterate your values. So we have one program, and this is your assignment. So assignment is write a program which will display personal information of employee. So you have one employee information dictionary which will contain all information of employee, okay, like phone number, department and address. And on the request of user, like user will enter first the employee name, then he will select the choice what he want, phone number, department or address. So on the basis of that, information should got extracted. So output should be like Rohan's phone number is this. So try to solve this problem. So in next session we will see a lots of operation with dictionary, and I will solve this problem also.